Good day, collective. I am here with a general love reading. I'm not going to throw out any signs because it's some people minding business that is not theirs when it comes to my collective's love life. Personal readings are available. The link is in the description box. Take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay? I'm looking at my other orb. Attunti who? Now that everybody's here. Universe, what's the general love message for my collective? Single, married, situationship. What does the collective need to know about their love life at the present moment? We have playfulness in reverse. And then we have honeymoon in attraction. So someone is forgiving and learning. They're forgiving themselves for whatever they've done in the past and learning from the lessons. And they no longer want to wait for a relationship, or they no longer want to wait from leaving a relationship. So it's a couple different scenarios. It's a scenario where somebody is in a relationship, but their finances and career is impacting their love life. Then we have a couple of people, somebody single that wants to get in a relationship, not play any games, retreat, and go be with their lover, disconnected from the world. Somebody is in a relationship and they do want to retreat because they aren't feeling love in this relationship. And they may actually want to leave to go be with somebody else that they're attracted to. Again, take what resonates. So if you're single, financial issues is playing a factor. Take some time to disconnect from low vibrational friendships or interactions and associations so you can find your own inner youthful spirit and then enjoy the holidays that are coming up, and know that you attract romance by living in the now, not the past or trying to make the future, but in the now. You know what? I'm going to split this up. Universe, what's the message for my single collective, divine feminine and divine masculines that are single? They're not in relationships. They're not in marriages. They're not in situationships. It says, go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Express your love to the single collective. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit to shine. It's playfulness in the upright. And then it says you attract romantic love by living in the moment, attraction in reverse. So somebody single is either looking too far ahead or looking back to the past. What does my single collective need to know about express your love? Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Single collective that's not married, not in a situationship. They're single. Express your love. I felt that. So you could be this masculine, or you could be talking to a masculine. I really feel this is a masculine, a male, not a female, but it's a male that wants to express his love, but to more than one feminine. Somebody's thinking, they're not comparing. I think they actually like both of the feminine energies, and now they're thinking, but one of the feminine energies is going to lead to poverty, or either one of the feminine energies that this single man is thinking about is in poverty and also in a legal situation with courthouse and imprisonment and courtship. It's a single masculine. My guys told me to say it. It's a single masculine with a broke bum bitch on his mind right now. But it's gonna be some changes. I don't know if you're the broke bum bitch or not. Watching, only you do. But if you're the masculine's baby mama or ex-wife, I'm not about to apologize. I have no filter. Okay? So, divine masculine, one of the feminines that you're thinking about needs you for legal help. Either she gonna need some bond, bail money, or she gonna need you to help pay for an attorney, because she got a case going on. Look. Theft, toil and labor, inofficial person. Somebody was stealing from work. Somebody could have been great fortune was behind there. So somebody stole some money from their job, and they either about to go to jail for it, or they're currently in a court situation for that. I don't know if you should make a romantic gesture towards that, but it's free will. What's playfulness for my single collective? Okay, so listen, the universe say if you express your love to the feminine that has legal issues and was stealing money from work, you're gonna lose all your money. Wealthy man to unexpected income in reverse with lovers in the middle. And you might lose your job if you express your love to whoever that is. Could be a baby mama or an ex-wife. It's a baby mama. Mature woman, expectation in reverse, great fortune and child. So you think about your baby mama and a whole nother feminine. Your baby mama about to be in legal trouble because she a karmic. What's playfulness? She could have been playing with some spell work too. Maybe that's why you feel so torn in between the two. What's playfulness for my singles? Somebody was playing with spell work and now they're sick. Somebody is also sick because either you divine masculine or divine feminine, DIVINE, you guys are allowing your light to shine, and that's making somebody sick. But it's because they went to a coven to get some spell work done. Also work to stay out of jail. But what they didn't see coming was that it was a low vibrational masculine on their path that now has caused them about to lose housing or become homeless. And that situation not gonna change. Somebody about to get an eviction notice with message journey. So, some of y'all are actually on the path to great fortune though, so keep that up. Keep allowing your light to shine. Yeah, you high honor. Divine Feminine, keep allowing your light to shine. Your haters are really sick. They do need a hospital. Literally. Literally. What's attraction in reverse? So to a single divine masculine watching, don't go back to your baby mama. Don't help her with nothing legal, no money. Just take care of your seed, or else you go get fucked up. To the single feminine watching, you got a relationship on the way. Keep focusing on your occupation and what you doing to get your money. Yeah, you got marriage on the way. Don't worry about your haters. They can't do shit. No spell work, no evil eye, no none of that. They just making themselves sick, trying to play in your lights, play with your lights. What's attraction in reverse for my singles? What's attraction in the reverse? Yeah, somebody's not attracted to somebody that's in poverty. They like have no money. So divine feminine or divine masculine, y'all could possibly have a low vibrational person attracted to y'all, and y'all not whatever. Maybe that used to be your type, but it ain't your type no more. And they feel like you two-faced it because you don't want to fuck with them. Could have been an old roommate or ex of yours. One or a couple of y'all exes that y'all are no longer attracted to is pissed off because y'all don't want them no more. And they may try to reach out to you because they need some money. Somebody mama needs some money. What's attraction in reverse? Expectation. Expect somebody to be trying to reach out to you. Somebody mama might be sick. Somebody going to jail. Somebody need to go to the hospital. And somebody just in their feelings because you don't want them. So expect ugly bum motherfuckers to be trying to come towards y'all because they energy vampires. Somebody is stalking an Empress, or either your baby mama stalking you. If you're a divine masculine with a low vibrational family, with a low vibrational feminine, it'll be a Leo. She's stalking you to see when you go get in a relationship and long-term commitment and teamwork. Because she know it's over between you and her. What's thoughts in mature man? Thoughts in mature man. Express your love. Clarify, express your love. Thoughts in mature man. Yeah, so listen. Divine masculine, what did I say? Either your baby mama has already lied, betrayed you, and tried to get you fucked up, and that's why her karma is going to be for her to go to jail. Queen of Cups in reverse and Ten of Swords. The universe said walk away and end that karmic cycle. Or if, say this is your mom and she doesn't want you to express your love and work with somebody that actually does, make you happy. Somebody that's the Ace of Pentacles and Nine of Cups energy to you. I don't mean to sound whatever, but something might happen to your mama if your mama could have went to a high priestess to do work on your divine feminine. So the universe saying just emotionally detach. Make sure you forgive. Your mama or your baby mama, take it how it resonate. Somebody did work on the other person that's on your mind. The one that you want to express your love to, that you've been thinking about and want to invest in. So it's about to be conflict and drama. It ain't even a competition. Whoever it is like watching you and your future partner to see, I guess, when y'all go express love to each other with the Page of Cups and Magician. Somebody's mom or baby mama is going to a psychic to find about their love life, and they regret going to that practitioner because they know the Ten of Swords is what's coming. But the universe says it's the end of this cycle, divine masculine or divine feminine. If this is your divine masculine and y'all not able to express love and romantic gestures right now, and it's because of your mom or their children's mom, it's the ending to that cycle. Yeah. Eight of Swords, Tower, Knight of Pentacles, and Seven of Swords. This was like all the theft, jail, Tower. It's been slowly coming. They've been trying to delay it with magic. So Wheel of Fortune. Somebody's mom has been delaying their child going into union. Somebody's baby mom has been delaying balance for their child's father because they're trying to avoid going to jail. What's playfulness and bad health? What's playfulness and bad health? In Aries is blocking communication from somebody. Could be a Sagittarius, or either it's an Aries in bad health right now. They went too fast with their spiritual practices with spell work. That's that bad health. And this spell work could have just been gossip and slander and egregors wishing the worst on you. Somebody in their whole family. Could be a church congregation with the Ten of Cups and Hierophant right here. And Knight of Wands in reverse. That's no movement forward, especially not creatively. Somebody was wanting to move really fast and fuck themselves up, and because they tried to play in you or y'all's light, divine feminine, divine masculine, they sick. They real sick and burdened and stressed out. Make sure you're not making yourself sick playing with low vibrational people. Somebody can be expecting an ending to something. It's some type of situation. Like, it's not a relationship. Somebody offered a cup of love to somebody. Could have been a Libra, Gemini, or an Aquarius, or Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Don't take it. Don't accept that offer. And if you did accept an offer, especially if it was from a Libra, Something about to turn in your love life. Somebody thinks that a Libra is responsible for them not being with their not even counterpart, just being with somebody else, but they're not attracted to that person anymore. They really trying to work with their ancestors and guides to move away from this person because they're very manipulative and unhealed and just want money and transportation. And the clarity has come. It's about to be an ending to all of that. I'm not playing. Hangman. Someone's in with the Three of Pentacles. Somebody is working with their ancestors and guides. Somebody's ancestors was like, so that's what you were expecting? But let me tell you what's going on. Three of Cups in reverse with the Three of Wands. Too much gossip and talk is going on. Somebody no longer wants to be a part of these parties. So they're moving forward. Could be traveling away from narcissistic, petty energy. Empress in reverse. We know Empress in reverse is non-nurturing, non-caring, doesn't take care of themselves. With the Star in reverse. This person could be a Libra or an Aquarius. They're unhealed. They're not on a divine path. And they just want the money. They just want the transportation. They want the money, cars and the clothes, stars and the hoes, I suppose. Somebody thought they wanted to just be successful, so they went to the devil to get it. And now they're in the Nine of Swords and having anxiety because they took an offer to something very, very ungrounded and unstable. He got bad karma. Yeah, it's the Queen of Wands, but in low vibration. So now somebody is expecting, I guess, some type of revival. Somebody's expecting to be with an Empress. Somebody sees an Empress as the Queen of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles because they've been watching them. What's expectation? Attraction in reverse and expectation. This is for my singles, like single. Attraction in reverse and expectation. It's just my situation. Somebody is about to be single and homeless. They can expect that because somebody is no longer attracted to them. But they're not in a relationship. They made investments together. Seven of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. They made a lot of investments together. Look. King of Wands and Page of Wands. That's not compatible. That's a grown-ass man. This is an immature, childish-ass female. Can never work. That's why there ain't no attraction there. And not only that, but they over there reaping sick-ass karma with devil and judgment. A lot of toxicity. So somebody's coming up with an idea to get just enough money to leave this toxic relationship, situationship, partnership, whatever, with the Lovers in reverse and the Sun card and Five of Wands and Ten of Pentacles. But they don't want to leave without their money. Somebody don't want to leave that house without their money and their child if they have one. Interesting. So this could be you or somebody that you're talking to, collective. Somebody also has gotten clarity and they're trying to save, for a relationship, I guess for like dates and gifts and stuff like that. Let's see what's going on with the relationships. Please be high vibrational, or at least positive. What's going on with my collective that's in a marriage or a relationship? Somebody is in a relationship, but they feel like they've been separated from their true love, and they're asking God and angels and friends and family to help them get away from an ex. Because they feel like they deserve love. And they've been using positive thinking and keeping an open mind. What's the message for my relationships, situationships? Relationships and situationships. What do they most need to know? It says, make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps that you're being guided to take. Somebody needs to make the effort. But they could possibly be in an environment that's really toxic or negative mentally. Yeah, somebody's in a verbally and emotionally abusive relationship, situationship, that now they seeing a whole bunch of damn red flags. Yeah, they don't trust the person that they with. What else for my relationships, situationships? Relationships and situationships. What's the general message? What's this that wanted to jump? Healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Somebody is healing their family issues, but they're with a partner that's not, so it's causing clashes. Somebody feels like they should have waited because that's not their soulmate. What else for my relationships and situationships? General message. This could be you or your partner that's feeling this way. Yeah, it just says divine timing is at work in your love life. So if you're in a relationship or situationship, I'm not gonna say marriage. I don't think it's that many married people that watch my channel like that anyway. Somebody from your past wants to return to you, but that person is not your soulmate, and that person has karma, and very soon you're gonna realize that it's not enough anything to keep that relationship going, or go back to that relationship with an ex. Or maybe somebody went back to an ex, they reconciled with somebody from their past because they were being closed-minded to actually opening up to a new love. But very soon, religious factors or either spell work go backfire. Okay. Somebody is in a relationship, situationship, and they are really concerned about their money. They may have possibly lost their job or is going to lose their job. Somebody found out somebody did pay for some love spells, and that's why they haven't been receiving any unexpected income. And it could have possibly just been an ending to their finances, period. It's going to be an ending to somebody's commitment. somebody's making the effort to put an ending. Somebody's being guided to put an ending to a relationship that's not working with a low vibrational person. Let's make the effort. And I'm just saying they low vibrational because they're an energy vampire. Confirmation. Let's make the effort for my collective inner. Yeah. So listen. If you're being guided to marry somebody else, the universe says that will be sudden wealth for you, and you'll get some gifts. But that relationship wouldn't last long, because whoever you will be leaving the person that you're with, somebody is wanting to leave somebody that's low vibrational for another low vibrational person with legal situations. So say you leave one person to go to another low vibrational person and you marry them, that relationship ain't gonna work either. I think you should just be focused on being a leader and understand that your situation and your relationship and financially right now is your karma. Focus on clearing your karma. You're a little bit too concerned about the 3D, and you gotta vibrate higher. What's healing family issues? Clarify healing family issues. Forgiving parents. Yeah. Somebody needs to continue healing their inner child. Either you or the person that you're with, or both of y'all. Somebody is finding out that their parents is why they are with a narcissist, and possibly could have had a child with a narcissist. What's worth waiting for? Divine masculine wealthy man. You're going to get a message about whatever you're concerned about when it comes to your relationship. Divine timing. Okay? Whatever situation you have going on, divine timing is at work. Is somebody watching this that's in a relationship or a long-term commitment, and they stress the fuck out because it's not a real family? They stress the fuck out because the person that they with, they don't even want to communicate with, but they stay together, but it's for money, and they in despair because somebody done lost their job or is about to lose their job, or either somebody tried to do some work on a relationship. It could be backfiring. Maybe somebody was trying to put your relationship to rest, and you are like happy in your relationship. Somebody's happy in their relationship. Someone's happy with the choice that they made to be with who they were with, and they're finding out somebody was being manipulative and a liar, and was like, has been trying to end or cause delays in a relationship. Because this is for people in a relationship. Well, it's an ending to all of that. So whether somebody tried to put an ending to your relationship, the universe is closing out the cycle of people trying to put your relationship to an ending. Okay? If you're in a high vibrational commitment, that love was worth waiting for. See? It's not toxic. With the devil in reverse. Yeah. But some things are not moving forward. But with the moon in reverse, now you know why. But it's an ending. So to whoever sent that energy out for your relationship to like be fucked up, they're getting it back and they're losing money. So if things have been rocky in your long-term commitment or relationship, just know you had somebody or some people literally wanting to call on the devil to fuck up your relationship. So hopefully y'all can continue to have a healthy relationship. What's healing family issues and child? Yeah. So it's somebody married, either a masculine or a feminine watching. If your marriage has been a little, if you've been in your head about your marriage and you know you love that person, but it feels like, why isn't things working? I'm doing everything I can to make her happy or him happy. That's why. You had some haters. You had some haters studying you guys to figure out what type of negative energy they could project onto you. And that's the truth. So you got the truth and clarity now. The universe is clearing it out. Divine timing, okay? Everything will fall back into happily ever after, okay? Including with your finances. Make sure you're healing your inner child, you and your partner. What's healing family issues and child? What's going on here? It's the Fool card in reverse. Somebody being very naive about, oh shit. A Pisces made a choice. Pisces made a choice that they did not get any victory and success in. They were very naive. Or it could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius feminine that tried to do glamour spells on a King of Pentacles to get a baby because they seen somebody else do it. And whoever the feminine is could possibly already be pregnant due to spell work with the Ace of Cups, Queen of Cups in reverse, and High Priestess. So if you're in a relationship with someone right now and they're pregnant, it don't matter what their sign is, but it could be a Sagittarius, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces. This could be in somebody's chart. Just take it how it resonates. Could be a Scorpio, whatever. Yeah, somebody's pregnant, but they got pregnant off of spell work. Yeah, you love this person. You guys just need to heal your family issues and forgive your parents. If you are in a relationship with someone pregnant and you be having moments where you thinking, damn, I was naive to get into this situation. You got some fears about what to do next, what step to take. But you've been talking to somebody else. The universe said walk away from the other feminine energy that you've been talking to about the things that you want to invest in. That could possibly help you walking away from the other person that you just, you've been conversating with, but you got somebody over here pregnant. Heal your family issues and forgive your parents, okay? What's make the effort? Expectation. What's make the effort? Expectation. Somebody's also using their intuition about a single masculine, a single powerful masculine that's establishing energetic boundaries with multiple people is in his head. Could be an Aquarius female, or it could be an Aquarius dealing with a Queen of Swords. Either way it go, they're using their intuition about a pregnancy. That's obvious. High Priestess, Ace of Cups, yeah, Two of Swords in reverse. Somebody's getting clear. So as somebody is forgiving their parents, they're getting clarity about a pregnancy in a situation with a child. They could also be healing their inner child and realizing why they in the situation they in. But it's still third party interaction going on. I don't know if it's the baby mama or the pregnant chick with the third party or the man, but it's some third party stuff going on. Let's make the effort and expectation. Maybe it's the third party involved due to some work. So maybe it was a third party that helped do work on a relationship, but the work is backfiring now and it's the ending to the illusions, and somebody's going to get a new beginning. Could be a Leo or Aries that's been juggling for a while, but they were juggling because they was caught up in some drama with some other masculine energies, like competition type of drama. I cannot. Let's make the effort and expectation. Oof. If you're in a relationship with somebody toxic and immature because you don't want them to be out in the cold, this person is lying to you about something. So remember that the universe is going to be giving you steps to take. So you need to be paying attention to your intuition. Let's make the effort and expectation. Yeah. Make a decision. You gotta cut out the manipulation. If you're wondering why you have to defend yourself so hard, it's because somebody is manipulating you. Somebody's making narcissistic decisions and choices. Take that blindfold off. Somebody could be stealing from you too. Somebody's in a relationship with somebody that's stealing from them and giving it to other men, like a pimp situation. Somebody got a pimp out here in these streets. Somebody's with a hoe. Expect an ending of some sorts. Because somebody been hearing gossip about this situation. And it's been having them in the Three of Swords, heartbroken and shit. Because they bitch a hoe with the Queen of Wands in reverse. I don't mean to be disrespectful, but somebody's bitch is a whore. Excuse my lingo. Y'all know I don't always talk like that. Somebody's not getting what they want, no matter how toxic and stalking and hermit mode they try to go in. They still keep getting the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, the Moon in reverse, Four of Wands in reverse. Because somebody that they want is no longer juggling their ass and put an ending to it. This could be you about to put an ending to this relationship, situationship that you got going. But you are being guided to take some steps. So expect some truth and clarity to come to you about some narcissistic, petty ass energy that has been having you feeling like you really have to protect yourself and defend yourself. Somebody doesn't even feel safe at home. But that's also, why does this always come out? Because illusions have been broken. With the Six of Pentacles and Magician in reverse, Lovers, and Seven of Cups in reverse, and the Hierophant, Death card in reverse, and Tower. You're being guided to put some shit to rest with the Four of Swords. By God. He said you've been holding on to this situation long enough. I need you to go ahead and make some changes, young man or young lady. Because balance is coming for this. This is somebody over manipulating their control. And with the Lovers and Seven of Cups, that's illusion. That's love spells. This is a love reading. Somebody caused illusions. Them steps that you're going to be guided to take to defend yourself is going to come to you really, really fast. So just pay attention. Because this is going to be your karmic justice. Because that relationship really had you fucked up. Like financially, physically. Yeah, don't go back to that person. That person leaves you blocked from Ace of Pentacles. That's why you're in the Nine of Swords and the Ace of Swords. You know the truth. Making the effort to be in this relationship with somebody narcissistic and mentally unstable with all these swords right here. Blocked. Blocked from new beginnings financially. Investments. Ungrounded, unstable. Sick, feeling like you got the corona, can't move, your car fucking up, past due on your car note. The universe said it's because you need to put an ending to that soulless connection. Be single. Don't worry about working on love and partnership, because you got into a situation too fast with a whore. The whore could definitely be a Scorpio with the Tower and the Death card right here. And go ahead and cut Shawty off, because she done gave you enough bad karma with the Judgment in reverse. King of Swords. Cut it out. And don't ever look back to that toxic ass. Queen of Swords, Page of Swords in reverse. Immature, lying, bitter, cheating ass. Non-wish fulfillment. No matter how many fucking babies they pop out, that person ain't never gonna be worth shit with the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. With the Five of Cups in reverse, you know that. I don't think you gonna have no regrets once you walk away. Just don't look back. Yeah, look. Knight of Cups with the Knight of Swords. You got something to do elsewhere than the relationship, situationship you in. Whoever this stack is for, that's being guided to take steps, and they have expectations of some sorts. The universe is expecting you to do the right thing. You do need to heal your family issues, especially with your mama or whatever feminine energy supported you and nurtured you and took care of you as a child. In this other situation, somebody is heartbroken because they found out their mama trifling. Somebody's mother is trifling. Somebody's mother is unhealed. They're a good nurturer, like provider-wise. And nurturer. But they just not a divine feminine. Somebody's mom is a karmic. And so you need to heal your inner child. That's how you can give your inner child justice. Love on your inner child more. Worth waiting for in courtship. Yeah, divine timing is definitely at work. Somebody is regretful. Somebody regrets healing the situation. Trying to help somebody that, what's that song? Don't save her. She don't want to be saved. Somebody tried to save somebody. Instead of letting divine timing work in their love life, they just, took it upon themselves to take an offer over there. And now Now they're all in their head and mentally conflicted and bound and gagged and stuck. But just know divine timing is at play. Oh. All right. All right. General love. General love from my collective. But nah, in all seriousness, don't go back to no exes. And get out of toxic ass relationships if you know they toxic. And if you care about your health, don't sleep with prostitutes. That's not love. Who let that girl sell pussy, bruh? That's nasty. Somebody. Oh well. Talk to you later.